Hi, this is Dr. Paul Chasan at Ranch and Coast Plastic Surgery. I just got a question from someone that says, what are the dumbest things that people will do? Some of it's kind of funny. For example, if you have had surgery, for the first week or two, you really want to be on a low salt diet. Otherwise, you'll swell up like crazy. So I had a patient who had surgery. As a man, I did his facelift. The next day looked perfect. And then I saw him 3 days later and his face was like a moon. And I'm like, what happened? Did you have salty meal? And he goes, no, I didn't have anything. I said, you didn't have pizza, Panda, anything? And his eyes got really big. He had Panda Express after his facelift. I had another patient who I did the face and eyes. We sent them home with eye drops to keep their eyes moist, but they had like alkaline water drops to put in their water, and it looks like an eye drop. And instead of using the eye drops, we sent them home, they used the alkaline drops and put it in their eyeballs and burned her eyes. By the way, she did fine. But I mean, we do see some funny stuff. Another one that was crazy is we have consents about smoking, nicotine after a particular facelift. Because remember, nicotine is a very potent constrictor of the plexus of arteries underneath the skin. So in particular facelift, we're elevating skin flaps. One cigarette can kill a facelift. So we have them sign consents, we talk about it ad nauseum. Well, I did a guy facelift, and on the 4th day, his face didn't look so great, and he's chewing gum like, it was this really bright fluorescent green gum. What are you chewing? He goes, oh, it's Nicorette gum, and I have to have 3 at a time. I said, oh my God, you don't realize that that's just a huge amount of nicotine that you're taking. He was just chewing the gum. Anyways, turned out that, of course, he had some necrosis, some death of his flaps, required like 3 weeks of skin care, wound care. Eventually it healed. But I mean, these are things that are so preventable that just ask yourself, like, why are you doing this? I mean, did you not read any of the paperwork? Did you not listen when you're at the consult? So those are the kind of funny things, just a little vignette.